Hello everybody, a lot of greetings from Ukraine from Carpathian Mountains. And in this video I will tell you some tips and tricks how to travel walking here, and will show you nature. So we are in a village Tataril. It's in a near of Yaremcha, and first experience here are so many dogs. Look everywhere. These dogs are from our hotel. We stayed in some small hotel. I will show you the room later. So now we just walking, and we walked already 1 kilometers, and the dogs are following us. Maybe this direction is more interesting than this one. They are our guides. So look, the nature is very amazing. So the best way it's just to book your hotel. To take a taxi here from the railway station is expensive. So maybe if you came to Lviv city, the taxi there is a more cheaper that in this district. So look, this is a road. We just took boats. We hope we will see some wolf or bear. What about the price for a double room? It's around 15 euro in low season, because tomorrow it will be the snow here. That's why the price is cheap. So this is our taxi. My wife will sit here, and I will be like a horse. Now it's just a job. Look, our dogs are coming from another direction. They came to the bridge, and now they came from the forest. Actually, we don't know these dogs. They are just from the hotel, but look, they are following us. They are like wolves, maybe some. So I see. They came from this way. Actually, homes are, in Carpathian Mountains, there are not a lot of roads, so it's like this one. Dogs are still following us. It's very amazing. We don't know these dogs. Look, one and second one. So we are just on the top of mountain. I like this place very much. So in my country you no need to pay nothing for like this walking, because many countries have to pay something. I think tomorrow I will take some barbecue here and make barbecue somewhere in the forest. You know, it's amazing, like in the old time. So we are on the top of mountains, and look, dogs, really, they are coming with us, really, to our end destination. This white, it's like a wolf. If I will see in the darkness, I can see in a place like this, I can think this is a wolf, and dogs are fighting. It's the second day of our travel, and you see everywhere is the snow. It's a amazing, amazing look. Everything like in a fairy tale. So we are very happy that we can see both seasons, autumn and winter time. So let's go to the winter forest. Now we're in the forest. Here is the snow, but here is no snow. Our friends from a hotel. It's a very good time to come to Ukraine, but you have to know that in Ukraine, in the winter time, in January, there are many festivals. So around 1 month of festivals, and sometimes if you want to change your money, the banks can be closed. Even if it's Monday, any day of the week. So I have another video where I will tell you about festivals in Ukraine if you want to come. So this will be good advice for you. I would like to show you the room in a hotel. This house is from the wood, and it's very beautiful from outside. Here is a bathroom. Yes, very good. The room is a little bit dirty, just only because we leave it here. So now we leave the room, but actually it's very nice. We stayed here 2 nights and very satisfied. Also, here is a small kitchen. This room in the village Tataru, in a very beautiful district. Look, from the outside are mountains, and now we go walking. So this is the last day of our travel, and we went to the riverside. Look how beautiful it is. And you know, here is nobody, no people are coming here. So this is very nice. And actually today is a Sunday, and in this day there are no workers here. Maybe sometimes you can see the track here, but not today. So I recommend you to come on a Sunday here. Let's go to another side of the river.